friends, I'm Sister Margarita Dias, SCB Associate Director for Communio. And right now I'm standing on the highest peak of Garrow Hills. And do you want to know who is along with me? Come, let's see.
Communio, prayer, solidarity, mission.
Building bridges step by step, hearts and minds where dreams are kept. Mission calls us far and wide. Tudor stands with faith as guide. Voices rise, we won't delay. Reach the ones who've lost their way. Communio shining bright. In the dark we bring the light. Mother Teresa leads the line. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hands together, strength we share. Answers prayer. Every corner, every face, unreachable is now embraced. Step by step we pave the way. Hope and love in every day. Communio shining bright. In the dark we bring the light. Mother Teresa leads the line. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Shining bright. In the dark we bring the light. Mother Teresa leads the line. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hearts and minds we intertwine. दिल से अर्पण करते हैं हम, सपनों के संग चलते हम। तुरा की दुआओं का साथ है यहाँ। प्रार्थना की धुन, खुशबू सा ताजे हर एक जुनून। आसमान का रंग हर दिल के संग। तुरा के साथ बढ़ते रहे ईश्वर के